Hello everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Kavya. In this video, I'm going to explain the SAS Certified question number 20. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, keep the like if you are liking the video, and share the video to your friends and colleagues who need the SAS certification. For this, let me enter into the question number 20. The question number 20 says that there was a dataset named input.hot. And the question's asking what is the label for the dataset input.hot, write in the caps, and what is the encoding for the dataset input.hot. He is saying that there was a dataset named hot which is present in the input library, and he's also asking the questions like what is the label for the dataset input.hot. We want to know what is the label for the dataset. The label can be known once we open the dataset in the SAS. And the second question was, what is the encoding for the dataset input.hot? The encoding can also be known by opening in the SAS. Let me open the SAS environment and create the library, and then we can see what the question's answer are. First of all, let me write the little statement to create the library named input. There are many datas which are present in my desktop in the folder as datas. Let me copy the path and paste it here and run the statement. Check the log if the input library was created successfully or not, and it says that the library was created successfully. And let me open into the libraries, input library. We want the dataset named as hot. Let me open the hot dataset. When we see here, we can't see any label, but there are many variables, but we want the label for the dataset. The label for the dataset can be seen here. See, the SAS variable.input.hot, which is present in the brackets as heart's patient data. And this is the label for the dataset heart. And the first question answer was heart patient's data. But we have to write the answer in a caps letter, like label is equals to heart patient's data. We have to write like this. This is not the creation of the data. This is the answer of the first question and the question one answer. The question one answer is heart's patient data. We have to write the answer how the question was asked. If the question was not mentioned to write in the capital letters, we can write what the data, that is what the label which is present here, the heart patient's data, we can write anyway. The question asked that we have to write that it in the capital letters. So I have written that heart patient's data in the capital letters. And the second question was, what is the encoding for the dataset input.hot? The encoding can be done by writing the proc contents tag. Let me write that proc contents data is equals to input.hot and the run statement. When I run this, the proc content says that we can have all the type, length, format, how many observations and the variable. And here we can see that there is an word like encoding, and the answer also there like UTF-8, Unicode UTF-8. And this was the encoding for the dataset. And we can write here, and this is the encoding for the dataset. For the clarification, I'm keeping this brackets and also the columns. And the first question answer was the heart patient's data, which is seen here, the heart patient's data. And the encoding can be seen here, encoding UTF-8, Unicode UTF-8, and this is the encoding. We can see how much length, how many variables, how many observations, and so on. We can see here the variable cardiac it is a numeric type, and 8 is the length, and the observations are 20, variables are 8. We can see by just writing the proc contents, means it will give the content, means it will keep the descriptive portion of the data. So by using the proc content, we can see the encoding of the dataset. And I'm going to discuss more interesting questions like this. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share it to your friend. And if you have any further questions about this video, you can comment in the comment box. And if you want to log in into the great online training, or if you want to learn the Base SAS certification, you can log in into the link that was given below the comment box. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.